Una any go no move social media, no go no move Facebook. What are you getting here? When I tell you, say, I go lick up on a yash come on, not a joke. If I am motivated, almost to like social media. Una any go no move. You just look do like say you know the year. You just lock up. You don't just stay your computer there. The protocol. You're a YouTube. Una me a YouTube. Una me a YouTube. Because you know where we must everybody go to school. But today, oh, it still pass you. If you be man where get sense, you supposed to know say you need to go beg Yuri for forgiveness. Oh yes. Oh honey, Yuri raze. Oh honey, also. Oh honey, Yuri matiebo. No matiebo tot yuki. With the way we are treating a woman, the spirit of God must not be, it will never be happy with you. I'm telling you, the way you treat that woman, the spirit of God will not be happy with you. Oh, you know, no, have blood money. No, you have blood money. You were just trying to use that woman to climb, to use that woman to go higher. Oh, no matter about you, okay. You're not the way I mean we as them. No, there are things that there are where you will hurt some people. Only their pains in their heart will God will provoke, give you better punishment when you're not going to know. Have you ever sit down to ask yourself this question? Say, why is this now? People are not after you. People are after you, humiliating you, calling you all sort of name on social media. Have you sit down to ask yourself that question? Even woman, they will just come out for you. People that you don't even talk to, they will come out for you. Have you sit down to ask yourself that question? Or you think you are too educated? You think that education is for everything education. My guy, forget education. Education not help us again. Look at governor, where it's in go school. What do we do for the country? Education not help us. People like now go school. None of the death criminal who they see for this world today. Why on why you bow? Why you computer? Follow them and go behind the computer internet. Get your clean money. If you no soon or hey, I live now. Why are you be a good crossover? Off with very quick. What the other wasting of far forward? What's your another wasting of far forward? Because when you young this cinema or back clear. Una you go that to call you Igbina Solo Yamaru. Igbina or Solo Yamaru. What you knew what we get? What are we here to? If you them, what's the event? One no one way and fish Latin go on a way. When I'm in that was you. Whom they go here to where we or tell me how and then I know. But because you way, when you want call them money put, my God. Now what did they go they pay me? What do you just know for your head? What do you people teach people? Gafa. Open your YouTube. Press your YouTube studio. Press your displays. Press your this one. Piano. Copyright in your line. And you go. I charge on email where no if watch it. I charge on you where. What do you call the collect money for the woman hand? Because you know say the woman don't know her. And you know her. My God, your way not clear. Who we na ono yara na muoji? Oh yes. Who na ono yara na muoji? And one na go my school no. Also when na who go gene? Who go gene? A copyright no work clean, you ya clean, even ya no even pay this you get receipt na. You give her receipt. Who na yo? Who na yo? Still by trick in here. That's still by trick. That's still by trick. Who yes school? That's still by trick. Because we go on my about YouTube. Why you are there? That quality go boy, and she's even paying you salary at the end of the month. She's even paying you salary. When at the on my YouTube, but if you at hold your phone, the phone where you piano. Oh okay. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, go me job. Yeah, oh okay. Snap when go money or snap okay. Yẹn copyright no ìwọ́n nínú pé ni ẹ̀yìn pé ìwọ́n ni copyright ní wọn ní pé wọn ni asẹ́lẹ̀ tí ó pé wọn ní musician ní kọ́lẹ̀ ìwọ́n wọ̀nyí yẹn ra pé ọwọ́ òkè piwana wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ́n ọwọ́ gbé processing òkè ẹ̀wọ̀ rẹ̀ ọ̀làhìn bọ̀ ọ̀làhìn ni ọ̀kìlì ni ọmọ yẹn ṣó rẹ̀ dáwọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ ṣó rẹ̀ wọ́n ṣó náwó ṣó green perfect simple then I give you my go yín wẹ́ copyright náà ti tiẹ̀ ti rí ẹ̀yìn àti tiẹ̀ ti kọ́ ní laptop ọ̀gá rí ẹ̀yìn. Just waiting what you want, my actually, I beg you gonna really want a corona yaga, corona yagi, you're going to video review, YouTube will pay with a corona yaga, Piana, You know, who they go where? Who they go to? Simple thing. If you buy on a pay one you, if you buy on a pay one you, if she want to give you money, she willingly from her heart. I'll tell me, where say Miona, or tell me where say Miona. That is the only phenosun way. Tomorrow she will be proud of you. And Nigeria was your Zen YouTube now. And Nigeria was your proof or help YouTube now. She will be proud of you. Mokbai now we are forward. And the one that's when I would my thing already. Nowadays, okay, the problem you want understand the more they are the more they will have one. The more that it will get to a stage, we'll be on the class. When they get here on the stage, a stage in your class, a phone that are in school. A phone, I got in school. Okay, can one that brain, anyway. A dead brain, what you need to do, start doing good things. I will know, my way, see. I got fraud on. I got fraud on. Look at the people that you have been carrying their video. Even in that, a page that is monetized all these years. If you are really a Benin man, why can't you call this guy to order? Or tell me I am monetize a page where let's do this thing like this. Let's do like this. You have more strap and you have brand where we have to monetize a page where. What are we going to do? Let me write to your to Facebook. Nothing. Because we have monetized or someone even when I go because we had the YouTube video, we can't say your we ain't gonna say your because if fucking my meaning or meaning we ain't gonna say your which is very bad for you as a brother. Very, very bad. Why do I cook boy? I cook boy when they go dinner. If you have to make me work my cook, if my cook be what the boy my cook be when they cook Virginia. They come with the fear we go on. Why I think go by before you do so we do to Gary by. But we have no one by the mad we press rub on it and the other Gary by. I to talk about I go vibe. When why I be if you don't know how to want me what or I can't be. I are positive. If you say na bonus about mata me we yan that gana me aka we fun gwa mama o ha ma mu me imagine trust anybody no one need that guy go there this go need that guy go now mama I worry till today I hear when you provoke a woman say you call him yourself because of provoke I believe we must trust him. Very, very wrong of you as a man. Very, very bad of you. We wasn't a more no aburu. Then I was a buru. When you matos in Wani, Naja wash. Give you to Yanni Buni, we blog and when YouTube go to Eya Wadia. Eya Wadia, Mokbarai. You just want only you to be the blogger on social media. And music class, no, don't that what career clicking. You will just your eye is here and there. A bohan. Inigo Guarona. Efena, Ugarule Wegbe, Ulebirai. Who are Ulebirai with posts? Hene no. Efeno so here. Also not time when people everyone will be all drop when I'm Anyaka or a quarter no tie. Okay, for bone. Ugaye work Egona Yande. On a Nigerian answer, rigo. Me, I go 10 trips today. Rigo. Me, I go 20 trips today. You just want to, put your hand for you. Anybody know any life video presenter want to dance back? Or you want to carry, you want to promote it. Who you want to promote? Nobody know any live video presenter. Everybody don't know themselves. Everybody know to promote themselves with their phone. Always work with. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. I go on one bugbear. I go on bugbear. I go. I'm going to community. Well, what is a for community? You who was to say community. Community is scattering people has taken people's land. Why you Nigeria was killing people YouTube channel, taking people YouTube channel? That's what you're doing. Now tell me, YouTube channel is a office, someone's business. It's somebody's business that you have destroyed, that you have totally condemned. They don't have, if that's their source of living, their source of income, where their income comes from. You've killed that YouTube channel, you've destroyed that person's source of income. Where do you see that person? You see that person on the streets. And you say, where could be Gwalo? You are not coming to preach where could be Gwalo. When we are building my career, building my destiny. Why give my YouTube more? No, you're striking. We make content. We create content. The content in the man creates. What you now do, who make content man position who's to analyze it. Who's to analyze it. Why can't you come out and also create the content? Just write the topic. Send message to Frank Victor. And also want to call it. You want to play person your audio. You the record people. You say you're a blogger. People will call you the record people. You see the reason why they call me that they are keep you quiet because why? I get that sense so you the record person. That's why I keep you quiet. Imagine a good time right now. Because I mean because in here we record them or something else. You know now we every new I don't hear you, I don't hear you, I don't hear you. No verse. To make sure say you reverse that guy on YouTube. And don't tell me about YouTube for you to revive and back. You think say I really get joy with you, I play with you when I know who you really be. If I long with you, check a YouTuber get Edimofi. Edimofi get YouTube since 2019. I mean 2017. Edimofi get YouTube, but you could not help him out. You could not help him out. Instead, using that guy strength, energy for your own pocket. For your own pocket, for your own selfish interest. Because you don't know anything about YouTube. Because if you teach on YouTube, if Edimofi come to sit down for YouTube, now they do video for YouTube, you're not going to make money again. When you make you, now your skills be that one. Very, very wrong for you as a man. Oh, yeah, don't go take away. What shall it profit a man if you gain your own word and lose your soul? A captain also go better all the words no me. Here I'm going to be a me. They're going to be a better with it. What are we saying? But if he touches people's life today, before he died, people will still keep talking about him. The people don't touch his life again. Don't wear good things now. They will still keep talking about him. What will people say against you when you go out of body? Then now, don't be that man. I better make you go rest in hellfire. I'm going to keep for YouTube channel. Hey, that man, make that person. Hey, me that man, go down person. I mean, oh no, we have. Who they go to move you? We are doing with you. Who digo? If I man, I'm going to go. If I get again, I will. If I get I'm going to touch you. If I'm going to touch you, if I do last night, if I on there, who can live video when we do last night? If I type YouTube, our YouTube. If I link up with a page, you. Only my one married YouTube. A YouTube here you go me. A Facebook here you go me. A blog has a video me. Only when you are me, only when you are me going on here. Only we are all of them. A blog I'm more woman. You go to YouTube where you pay woman. Everybody go chop. On I agree. I've been on your. Okay, that get book. Walk by now, you fool, walk by. You have contact with everybody, have contract with everybody. You know what who want to give them, mama? Who give them away? Which is very, very bad. Very, very bad of you, my brother. Let me know back. You don't know, you go run. Walk back, go baby, walk back. Need one quick video with. You want to go away. Miss one quick video with. Who know you on him? Even with here, two way, if you do, over here, what was said, what panel, who the you see, you find what to break it down. Find what to break it down. You want us to be the head with YouTube. Who are collecting on YouTube. And man, when now you want to be the head, you are going backward. It can't time away. Hey, Baba, with this man. Oh, never will go. I say, I'm a cook at the way. 2019, I told you this word. I said, my God, pay me my money. Pay me my money. Live video presenter saga not good. It isn't a joke. Their saga not good for body. The way they saga that way they carry, to make money. If I go still use you, I go still saga you. People will still use you make money. No matter what. Today now we are when not waiting at 2019. Not because they happen. If they kaya here we have people who boko when you do man. Yeah, we have people on social media because well, they don't know your secret. They don't know your way. They don't know where you are just who are here a bear a bad man the whole a benonu woman the home. If I hear working, I want dressing. I want a black york bag. I want to take up. Why want a black york to take up? Would you face copy you when I papa just go? What to hello, my brothers and sisters. Diaspora, hello. This is Nigeria. Please subscribe. This is your first time. Hey, Baba will be fine. You are a man. My brother, change your way. Your way not gonna make them look you well. I tell you, your way not gonna make them look you well. Change your way, my brother. You know good. Every blogger, all the social media live video presenters, all of them, you just hold contract with everybody. Anybody where you just call now, because you say Nigeria was in a contract. Nigeria was in a contract with all the live video presenters, all of the day on that. Say all the live video presenters they under you. Odogun, Cubana, YouTube Cubana. YouTube Cubana. All the live video presenters, young little that way. When you are they are your working class workers. They are your workers. They are all your workers. Who are people who are glass yao. Who are first cap young who are just whatever. And YouTube, live video. You might blame me, where my brother. No one lost TV. Oh no, mine no easy. Or one very easy. Or movie away. I was the UAE. Any other UAE? That if you YouTube never. The one we are in a book. I don't know how to video here. I want that on it. That's why I'm trying to pray for her just now. As I look around, you don't know the way I see her. Don't even that's a plan B life. No, she don't put all her head on one basket. You understand? Even though women when I fabrica work, I will still come and work on this place, say the truth, and make my money. You understand? And only you want your body area. What body area? Only got money. You don't pay them good money. How would that happen? You got money now. It may I expose where gradually. I am joking. The money boom where two so that they will know what to yin. If I say money there's no need to stress people. This is Facebook na when we are weak to God. Me, I know me, I all live that side because of God. Because of God, me, I all live that side. Because we are deserving, all deserving. I mean, deserve. My brother, change it we way. Change it we way. Try no mama I mean. Try no educate him in one way. Assist people. We want peace. We want peace. We want to cooperate. We want to make Edo better. How can we make Edo better? And that's what you said, Nigeria was. You told me when me and you they talk, you make that statement for us to fight this fight together to make Edo great. How can we make Edo great, my brother? For all these things we do. How can we make Edo great? When you see your own sisters, you don't know this thing and you know and they collect money for your hand to show them. Not they will show them, they collect money for your hand to do them. What do you know? So your hand will take pressure for your phone, to work. You never need to go pay money, but you will collect you the amount for your hand to take do. And you want us to make Edo great. How can we make Edo great? When our sister they bring Nigerians people, they come from Nigerian actors and actresses, maybe they call they perform for Europe. We presenters go come out, they bring them down for live video, make them for not make money. How we want to make Edo great? Now don't ask yourself that question. Now don't ask yourself that question. We go see our own for who to praise our own, praise and appreciate our own thing instead because the thing not they favor us. We want we are spoiler make it not get ahead. How we want to make Edo great? How we want to make Edo great? Nigeria watch now you mean they ask this one so when you see say your own fellow guy man in YouTube, you don't know how I take, you don't know everything about YouTube, you know if you teach and say guy alpha, this thing you see enter YouTube, do like this, do like this, do like this, you don't help him because maybe if you help him, you know if you help him now, if you upload before you the content now you can't get on, now you can't get on, you know go fit dey collect that content again. You understand? We know the story. How you want to make Edo great? Why you got head bugwa? I got head be. Money in me here, only me hate you way. I got head be one. Why I want back? We know the facts, but we not even like una say. You go here they preach good things for social media. Inside your mind too dark. Osiyegbe bros. Now you dey brosy by. You dey brosy by normal level. Osiyegbe, no gba. You are not making Edo great like that. But you are killing their dose. Killing their dose. Check out the presenters where you carry. All the live video presenters where they carry their video, check their lifestyle today. They check the lifestyle of the presenter will leave you. The presenter will don't leave you now. We're not do with you again. Check their lifestyle. Check their lifestyle. Person we can't even get mind. Dash you money. It dash you money just say as you they work for them, you need help. The person even dash you money. You feel still they fraud down. Nothing with the YouTube. Nothing happen to YouTube. You will say something happen to YouTube. And so you want to use money collect them. You need money. Will see send you. My brother waiting. And you come say you want to make a no great. My brother, which one? Who is the fool? Who is the fool? You're not fooling anybody, my guy. Not yourself. Now you the fool. And the truth. See the waiting you talk. See what you when you open mouth, they talk what you do. Me, I want to cry. I want to cry when you open mouth today. They talk what you don't do. Guy, man. This life no balance. Why we the wicked of ourselves like that? What you know, say you know go you collect money, put you collect that kind of math. Bros, which house you want to build when you never pay for this life? You want to build a house beside river. Even though you build a house, the day when you go sleep 2 room now psychiatric you go wake up. The day when you go sleep 2 room for the mansion when you build, now psychiatric you go wake up. You understand? It don't make sense. You see your sister, see your brother. This thing don't know and you know and you didn't charge. Ah, bros, I go do this thing for you. You pay me. Oh. Simple. About with this man. The way pay we no good worry me. I will like okay, we go cool. You go know say una bargain price. Let me say you tell me say you do me free thing and you collect my money put. YouTube they pay. You know that you say YouTube they pay. You collect money and you dey spend money for YouTube. Oh God, my brother, which one? You sharp, you smart, everywhere good. Understand? You see this life. Sometimes you go think say you are happy, think say you are making it, you have arrived in life. Understand? Oh God, if you're so wrong, man. Oh, look one hand, but can you figure? You understand? Eventually, you will talk back here. As if you were like, understand now? If you so assume that way, so yeah, no okay, you might be near you beyond sino. Yeah, so you don't know it's what you have caused with your hand. No one thing about thought you key. Now everybody's narrating you. This video now will go viral. Thousands of people go view this video. You about who those see? People don't say I Gideon and I watch no ya I blog live video presenter ya book Facebook now. You may tell one go no. Now you want you what you say. Other can no life if you do. And what do young I hate you. You will regret. I'll tell you, that's beneath for you. Young I hate you. You will regret of even knowing people like people who come from Benin. They know they could hate you. If you do that, hey God, they will raise you higher. They go they worship you like God. Even though you shit, they go like they go if they say eat the shit, they will eat them because why? What do they do? They give the joy. But the time you they fuck up, the time you change your hand when they fuck up, if they leave you, you see that after you drop, when they put you so from there they go leave you, they go use you, you go, that's when you go when they say scatter, that person goes scatter. That's beneath for you. That's the reason why anything they do for this life. Not because of ilalobo, because of ego, go they do waka, go change your lifestyle. Get a massive people there where they wash you. Don't be say you too well. I don't see one and do, oh man, once I do. Before I say you sit down here and with the talk, don't be somebody get sense past all the people they watch me. I just get the opportunity to sit down here and speak. You understand me? So there are people who be say they will get more sense, 100% better than the one I get. So they go sit down, they look with the talk. You understand? So don't say you too small because you see person if you catch mugu. You just catch a mugu. Then they happy they jump. My guy. Tomorrow do tomorrow. Day. You understand? Some of people are going to computer style. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go to our YouTube today. I see my brother, new generational prophet Atiti. I see you at all. So we are going to YouTube today. First of all, there's somebody going to bring us today on our YouTube channel. It's a small boy, one small boy. I want to bring and come on our YouTube channel today. I want to know if we complete that boy YouTube. I want to beg all of them. And comedian the boy be. All of them know the boy. Now very popular comedian for Edo State. We are hearing now. All of them know. A lot of them know they watch Benin comedy. But those of them know they watch Benin comedy. When they watch MC Twinkle, they watch when they follow MC Tico, when they follow Tony Kabaka. Now we know this boy where they talk so. If I bring the guy YouTube, come on. I'm very smart, intelligent boy. How YouTube people now we are hearing now. You understand? They say catch them young, the young shall grow. You understand? So we could assist our own in one way or the other. And I'll let you more show love. And bring the boy YouTube channel, come on. Yes. Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, no worries. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Bless you. Yes, so my people, now we are on YouTube now. So if you don't see the YouTube, when I press those, when I thumbs up, when I thumbs up, when I thumbs up, when I thumbs up. Me, I will check my YouTube. Say, and what I say, me, I know they look YouTube, they look Facebook. I want to read comments. May I take comments? The way I also read comments. God, I go to read comments because they laugh. I can't. Yes, so. Eh? The other thing I like about StreamYard is